In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw custom motion paths with precise control points in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation to impress or just want to add a dynamic touch, understanding how to design custom motion paths can really elevate your project. To begin, go ahead and launch PowerPoint on your desktop. It's fine if you're working with an existing presentation, or if you prefer to start with a new one, that's perfectly all right too. Once you have your presentation ready and loaded up, you're going to select the object that you'd like to animate. This could be anything from a basic shape to a more complex picture, depending on what you envision for your slide. Next, locate the Animations tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find all the animation tools that PowerPoint offers. Click on the Add Animation drop-down menu to reveal a variety of animation options. Here, you'll want to navigate towards the Motion Paths section. Instead of choosing one of the preset paths, scroll down and select the Custom Path option. This choice will allow you the most flexibility to tailor the movement exactly as you imagine it. Upon selecting Custom Path, you'll notice your cursor transforms into a crosshair icon. This change indicates that you're now in drawing mode, meaning you can begin crafting the path for your object to follow. If you'd like a smooth line or a complex curve, the power is in your hands to design it. To complete the drawing, simply finish by double-clicking at your last point or press the S key to exit the drawing mode. This finalizes the motion path that your object will take. Once you're done drawing, click on the new motion path you've just created. You'll see it depicted as a dotted line with a green arrow marking the start and a red arrow marking the end point. At this stage, if you click on the path and right-click, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Edit Points to move into editing mode for greater precision. As soon as you choose Edit Points, you'll see black dots, known as vertices, appearing along the path. These are your control points, crucial for customizing the path's play. You can click on and drag any of these black vertex points to reshape the path to your liking. Move them around until your animation flows just as you want. And that's it. You've made a custom motion path using precise control points in PowerPoint. With just a little bit of creativity and manipulation, you can make your presentations more engaging and visually captivating. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps make your next project a standout success.